Good afternoon. This is Rajib Debnath and I am a partner with Nangia Andersen LLP. CBAM. What is CBAM? It's a nomenclature which has been making waves in the print media, electronic media, social media. Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism. It's a tool which has been developed by the European Union to arrest carbon leakages and for levying a tax in the form of CBAM certificates for products which have higher carbon emission embedded in the product, which lands in the shore effective 2026 onwards. And it is envisaged that the CBAM certificate could cost to the tune of approximately 100 euros per metric ton of CO2 that is embedded in the product. The CBAM is going to pose a lot of challenges for Indian companies, primarily those which are covered under the ambit of CBAM. The CBAM requirements would impact a lot of Indian companies, primarily which comes under the ambit of CBAM. The Indian companies which could primarily get impacted are the steel industry, the iron industry, cement, aluminium, which contribute to almost close to around 25% of the export, which is currently in European Union. The product that is manufactured in India has got a higher carbon emission in comparison to global average. This will therefore become a challenge for finding its acceptance in the European market. To combat the CBAM challenges, in this budget, the Finance Ministry could consider providing incentives, tax incentives, grants, lower interest rates and subsidies to companies which are making a switch from higher carbon intensive technology or infrastructure or product to a lower carbon intensive technology or infrastructure or product. The Government of India could also consider reporting of the carbon emissions by the companies through the Government of India with the various countries in the European Union bilaterally, instead of allowing the companies to unilaterally report the carbon emissions to the European Union during the time of export of their products. This would help in prevention of a lot of trade secrets, disclosure of trade secrets.